So, running late again. Maybe I should just start every video like that now. That's okay. Ugh. Can't even blame the 60. I'm going to stand out of the sun. There we go. Can't even blame the 60 this time. Because guess what we're doing? That's probably enough of that. I got shit to do. And I'm late enough as it is. We're gonna meet up with some old friends. You might have seen them once or twice on the channel. You'll see.
You've got to have a whole jewel in it.
Hey Rowan.
Hey, what?
Why are you using a trolley jack? You only make jockey wheels for that, right?
Half done, Harry.
You good? Yeah, you clear. Oh, that's not good. Well, the trailer's out. What are you doing, Rowan?
Fixing this broken stuff. About 4 tabs like that. Here we go. Cardboard aided design. Hole saw there. Pull that end to fit the tube. And then Aaron will grind it out. It'll have a nice little edge on it if we not run the notch, tube notcher through there, and then cut it in half. Put a plate on the back, and then load that, put that tube back into the centre.
What are you doing, Rowan?
Right, so this is the shock mount that's broken off. So we've got to cut all this off, these bars out, both sides. Aaron's cutting some more plates, and we're going to remanufacture all this. We've taken all the measurements off this side. We're going to replicate new mounts, both sides. Happy days.
How are you improving it? Like, what are you changing?
We're going to spread the mount a bit, bring this bar from the centre to the top of the mount.
Fuck, that's a good idea. Whose idea was that?
Mine. Yeah, so...
What's going on here? What's that?
Because it's torn in the inside here, we're going to weld up that, grind all that off, and then put some strengthening plates over here that Aaron will cut soon. So while he's cutting all them out, I'm going to start grinding this.
Nope.
Like that. Come round on yours. Yeah. Where we going? Yeah. That'll be right. Yeah, baby!
So that's the reason we've...
Well, that's the reason we've got to cut this tube out. We've
So that's the belly plate that sits underneath.
yeah, it sits under there to protect all the box and the sump. We bellied out on a rock at Don River, and it just opened it like a beer can.
That's like what, 8 mil?
That's 8 mil alley.
8 mil alley.
You can see she's had a hard life. But yeah, and then it just crushed all the tube as well, so we've got to cut all the tube out, try and save this bar, re-notch this, new mount, weld her up, good to go.
Because of your long leg nap. No, I was saying you can stay.
That's going to be all day hit and miss whether I like it.
Oh, shoot.
Well, I was going to change the CV, so
Well, let's change on.
so we need to lift the back of the engine sort of
Well, that makes more sense saying that than it does fucking
go up. Go up. Yeah, just clearing. Go up, you let go of them.
Hang on, hang on. Come on, get here, yeah.
Get down. Put down.
Let's knock off. Done.
Alright, well the plan today was to fix the front end, the broken shock mounts. We managed to get the main mounts tacked on. We've still got to add some bars, some more plates. Basically these are going to be cut, notched to take the load, and some more plates to come in over the top and the sides to spread the load so we don't break them off again. The boys got busy down the rear end fixing the under tray where it was all crushed. We were hoping we could cut it out with the engine in. That wasn't doable, so Aaron and Hayden got the engine out. So now tomorrow morning we can cut her up. Ready to repair this tube and then put it back together. Busy day. Dad's been working on the trailer with Shannon, putting the vinyl flooring in. Shannon's doing lights and stuff, so that's all pretty exciting. We're getting keen.
Oh.